Today we are going to Sun Yat-sen Memorial Park. It's a bit cloudy with occasional light rain this morning. On Monday, it was announced that Typhoon Quaining is expected to approach the southeast of Taiwan this week. Even though Taipei is in the north, we still felt the impact of this sudden weather shift this morning. Meanwhile, let me show you a surprise I found at Sun Yat-sen Metro Station. Hello, morning. So we are now at Sun Yat-sen Station, and guess what? We have found that souvenir stamp. I was a bit bummed that I couldn't find one yesterday at Jiufen, but we finally found one today. So let's go ahead and do that stamping in my journal. Before we enter Sun Yat-sen Memorial Hall, we will take a look at the garden area on our right. Despite the showers getting heavier, there are still people exercising and relaxing in this area. Then you've got tourists like us trying to figure out what these stones are. I couldn't find anything online, so if you know the story behind this, please share it with us.
A quick glance at the metal plate on the side says they are inscriptions. Most of them feature text from various eras, and it also mentions the types of fonts used for inscriptions on the top of the stones.
This is a memorial built to commemorate the Republic of China's national father, Dr. Sun Yat-sen.
In this area, you can find two bronze sculptures of Dr. Sun Yat-sen. Dr. Sun Yat-sen was a Chinese revolutionary and political leader who played a key role in overthrowing the Qing dynasty and was the founding father of the Republic of China. Taiwan's historical and political status is quite complex, so we will not discuss that now. Let's take a look around. I see some slabs around here. It says here that these are stone inscriptions to commemorate their national father. So it's a light drizzle now. You can see Taipei 101 just right there.
So let's go in and explore the Sun Yat-sen Memorial Hall.
So we are now at the Sun Yat-sen Memorial Hall, and it looks like there are a few exhibitions, events going on inside the hall. So let's go and have a look.
Change guard? Yeah. Oh. We didn't know that there is a change of guard happening now. Thank goodness we are in time to witness this. Every hour from 9 in the morning till 5 in the evening, there is a formal change of the guards. Their routines are precise and synchronized. Okay, this video will be about 7 to 10 minutes long. I will fast forward it, but you get the idea. Note how the other guards pick up their pace after passing the platform where the newly changed guards are stationed. We are assuming that this is a symbol of the transfer of responsibility. So if you know any details about this, we appreciate your comments.
The main entrance to the hall features a statue of Sun Yat-sen, where the public pays their respect.
My goodness, how cool was that?
Yeah, so it was unexpected. Suddenly we just bumped into the changing of guards at the National Memorial Hall.
Dr. Sun Yat-sen's History Exhibition Room.
This exhibition room traces Dr. Sun Yat-sen's journey from his birth to his transformation into a world-renowned revolutionary leader. There were even newspaper clippings of his visits to Malaysia, as well as to other countries around the globe, where he set up branches of the Dongmenghui, also known as the Revolutionary Alliance.
Look over there, I think I saw something. Yes, I found another souvenir stamp. It looks like I'm on a roll finding souvenir stamps. I wonder how many more I can find.
Okay, good job.
It's still cloudy and the weather wouldn't be changing anytime soon. Nevertheless, it's enjoyable to have a view of Taipei 101 from here. In front of us is currently an inactive fountain. Otherwise, it would have enhanced the photo of Sun Yat-sen Hall. It seems like Taiwanese love doing activities outside because despite the weather, you can still see them exercising, meditating, and dancing.
Where are we going to next?
Let me see. Okay, so this is the itinerary that I made. Basically, we need to go get lunch. What's the time now? It's a bit too early for lunch, I think. But I think we can actually head over there first and then maybe we can walk around and see what we can find there, because the place that we're going to is called Addiction Aquatic Development. It's a bit like Tsukiji fish market in Japan from what I saw online. So yeah, I can't wait to go and see what's in there.
Okay, let's go.
We are now taking the MRT to Xingtian Temple Station, and then we will take Uber to Addiction Aquatic Development. At Xingtian Temple Station, you will notice a nice ceramic mural on the wall. This mural features an image of a temple, since Xingtian Temple is nearby the station.
Instead of walking 20 minutes to Addiction Aquatic Development, we took a cab. The driver dropped us off in front of Taipei Fish Market, where they sell mostly frozen seafood inside. However, my ultimate objective is to locate AAD, which should be somewhere on our left. Looks like we're nearby the Addiction Aquatic Development, so we'll just continue walking straight ahead. You can find sushi and other dishes for takeaway or outdoor dining at standing tables. You can see chefs preparing sashimi and sushi in takeaway boxes. There are fresh oysters as well. If you prefer something cooked, they have beef stew and other items like braised salmon. This is the waiting area for takeout. We are making our way to the dine-in area, but here are a few things to note. Do note that this place accepts only cash. Additionally, prices here are on the premium side, so be sure to have enough cash on hand. There are no available seats, so you'll be standing while you eat. If you are unsure about what to order from their menu, consider trying their sets. Do note that the portions are quite large, which is ideal for sharing between 2 people. This is what we did, and it cost about $1,900 for the set we ordered.
It's the seafood miso soup. Let's taste. Nice. Fresh oysters, just try.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's juicy and it's fresh. I'm going for another one.
Wow.
Look at that. Nice. Let's start with the tuna. It's very nice.
Fresh?
Fresh. Very juicy. Let's try the, I think it's the belly. The belly should be nice. I like the belly better.
This one?
It's soft and I think it tastes better than the normal tuna.
And it's finally here.
The meat is juicy and a bit sweet, so you don't have to like put anything. Just eat it like this. Very nice.
We had a great lunch at Addiction Aquatic Development. Yeah, it was good, especially the king crab. Like, I was looking forward to that.
I have a lot of raw stuff today. A lot of sashimi and nigiri sushi, so I'm overdosed with raw fishes. But overall, it was okay, good. And I like the king crab as well.
Okay, so we're going to our next destination, and we'll see you there. Bye! In our next episode, we will share some quick bites that you can find in Taipei. See you next week!